Hello friends, my name is Taufik and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I am going to show you a very simple skin retouching technique. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to create a duplicate layer. Actually, couple of duplicate layers. So I will press Ctrl J. This is one. Again, Ctrl J or Command J. So we have two duplicate layers. So I will convert each layer one by one. This is very important. We have to convert each layer separately into a smart object, and we don't want to create a smart object first and then copy it. That will be an entirely different thing. So just make sure that you create two layers first and convert them into a smart object one by one. So these both duplicate layers are now smart objects. So first I will hide this upper layer, and after selecting the bottom layer, I will apply Gaussian blur. So blur and Gaussian blur. So according to our taste, we can change the value. So I just want to make sure that there is no clarity in the image. So this looks good to me, but still, even if you are not satisfied after applying this, you can simply go to the smart filter. Because we have converted this into a smart object, we can always change the blur value or any value for that matter, or any filter that we apply, because this is an smart object, or rather a smart object. So we can change if you want, but I'm not going to change it because I'm happy with the this result. Now I will unhide this upper layer, and I'm going to change the blending mode to linear light. After that, I'm going to go to filter, then other, and high pass, and this is the texture. This is called skin retouching, and this is the texture that I want. If you want a smaller texture, then we can always keep the radius less, like this. As you can see, as I move the slider to the left, this is becoming smaller or finer, and once I take this to the right, you can see this is becoming larger. So according to your liking, you can keep it. So I think this particular value looks good to me, so I'll press OK. Now both these smart objects, combining them, we will get this result. So what I'll do is, now see, I want to apply this skin retouching filter or skin retouching effect only on the skin, but as you can see, the effect is everywhere, on the lips, on the hair, and everywhere, on the clothes as well. So I want to apply only on screen. So we are going to use layer mask to get the desired result. So I'm going to select this layer. So both the results, both the layers, select both the layers and make them into a group. So click on this particular icon. So this is the group now, and between these two we have created this effect. So what we are going to do is, we are going to hide this effect first entirely by using the layer mask. So layer mask, apply the layer mask to the group like this, and if we apply black color, so it will hide the entire group. So black color is in the background right now. So I will press control backspace, or if you are using Mac, then command backspace, or simply you can, I will delete this. You can simply press and hold Alt or Option key and click on the layer mask, so it will automatically apply the black color. So the effect is now hidden, as you can see. So to get the result or to get the effect, we need to keep the white color in the foreground. It is already there in the foreground, white color, and select brush tool and make sure that we have selected soft brush to get the best result, and apply. Make sure opacity is 100. As you can see, we are getting the effect wherever we want and not on the entire photo or image. So this is how we can apply like this. So this is looking much smoother, like this. And make sure that you don't draw the brush on the creases, these skin creases. It will look fake. Now this area is already blur, so we don't need to apply it still. I will see how it looks. So this is looking much better. And again, as I said earlier, if you are not happy with the result, you can go to the effect anytime that you want and change the value according to you. Now this is the before and this is the after. You can see the change. I will zoom it out. Before, after, looking good. And if you want to change it, we can simply go to high pass and we can change the value. If you are not happy with the result, we can change the value like this. Okay, press OK. So this is as simple as that, and this is how we can create the skin retouching effect using very simple method. So I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.